The Voice of the People's Party (VPP), which secured a dominant victory in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council elections 2025 with 17 members of the District Council, has announced new leadership appointments. Shemborlang Ranja has been named the Chief Executive Member of the Council, while Strong Pillar Kharjana has been appointed as the Chairman of the KHADC. The decisions were finalized during a party meeting on the 26th of February 2025 at the residence of the VPP President Aden M. Basayaumoy. Additionally, Kunjoalang Rangtong has been designated as the Deputy Chairman of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The newly formed Executive Committee includes Powell Soklet from Paryong Mauthat Raishan, Seiborlang Rinja from Maukonro, Isnehing from Umroy, Penkrau Kharjarin from Maukarwat, Iban Dublin El Nonglat from Malim, Deiti Majau from Malki Lait Umkhra, and Winston Tony Lingdo from Nongthmai District Council constituency. With this leadership lineup, the VPP aims to steer the KHADC forward under its administration.
Kani ke isi ke jingi kandon tang shipomot kentuk yau chairman bat yau vice chairman. Kapomot ke isi kandon prangut ke legislative mo u chairman bat u vice chairman. Kata kadi koi kabar ki ko abat penso shaki pai ba ling ba jang pikila putai kubor. Kabar kalong ba da koi ke jingmot ringkat baru ke MDC ke job ba ka party ila shimikarai Banjir iba Strong Pillar Kharjana como chairman jongka district council nang tai ba Kenjo Wuri MDC na Mahoti como vice chairman nang ta iba Shemborlang Rinja u MDC wala Shajit na po laikro nang kadem como chief executive member lembat ki nyuwat pat ki EM Kap Kentup iba Powell Soklet na Mautarashan ba Seiborlang Warba na Maukonro iba Penkrau Boklin Kharjarin na Maukarwat ikong Deiti Majau na Laim Kra Malki kong Ibandap Lin Lingdo Nonglait na Milim constituency ba Winston Tony Lingdo na Nongthmai kini kinlong ki ba Isnei Hing na Umroy constituency kini kinlong ki court jong ki isi ba party ringkat bagi ki MC baro nilarai na kamta ki isi apo ke KHADC.